If you want to change volume on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we need to open settings. Once you open settings, you should be able to scroll down a little bit and then go to sound and vibration. Now in here we have 3 volume sliders and we can easily adjust them just by moving left and right, so we can make something louder or we can turn it down. Besides that, we can also press volume up or volume down button in order to change the media volume level. This is just for media, and if you see this bar, you can just use your finger as well if you want to quickly adjust it. And if you tap on the 3 dots at the top of the bar, you open this panel where we can change the media volume, ringtone volume, and the alarm volume as well. And if you go to the control center, then of course in here we have the media volume level as well, so if you want to adjust that, you can easily do so in here. And if you press and hold your finger, you also open the same panel that we just did before with volume buttons. And here we can also adjust the volume for these 3 things. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.